Here's how to add a GND net class. Open Board Setup from the top toolbar, then go to the Net Classes tab. Click plus New Net Class to start a new one. Give it a name. Something like GND_net class works well. Set the clearance you want between traces in this class, and pick a via definition from the dropdown. You'll also need to fill in a track width for each layer. All are required before you can save. Next, assign nets to the class. Find GND in the unassigned nets list on the right, check it, and move it over to nets in this net class using the arrow. Once everything looks right, click Apply. You'll see a confirmation that the net class was created, and it'll now show up in your net classes table with GND attached to it. Close the dialog, and you're done. GND now follows its own clearance and track width rules instead of the defaults.